In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. Whether you're setting up a weekly team meeting or a quick catch-up with friends, scheduling a Zoom meeting is a straightforward process. Join me as I walk you through the steps needed to set up your meeting seamlessly. First, let's head to the Zoom website. You'll want to start by navigating to the Zoom homepage. You can easily do this by entering zoom.us in your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, ensure you're signed in with your account. If not, you'll see options to either log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Now that you're on the Zoom homepage and logged in, look for the button labeled Schedule. This is typically located on the top right of the page. Go ahead and click this button. The Schedule button is your gateway to creating a new meeting, allowing you to customize your session according to your specific needs. Once you click Schedule, you'll be presented with a form where you can fill in the details of your Zoom meeting. This is a crucial step, as it helps you tailor the meeting to fit your requirements. Start by giving your meeting a topic. This could be something like weekly team sync or catch up with friends. Anything that helps your attendees easily identify the purpose of the meeting. Next, you'll choose the date and time for your meeting. Make sure you select the correct time zone so everyone gets the notification at the right moment. After that, consider setting a duration for your meeting. While Zoom doesn't cut you off abruptly, it's useful to provide an estimate so participants know how much time to allocate. Then you have the option to decide on the security settings for your meeting. You can enable a waiting room, which is great for privacy, as it lets you control who enters the meeting. Additionally, you might want to set a meeting passcode for an added layer of security. After you've filled in the necessary details, it's time to finalize your setup. Look for the button labeled Save and click it. Once you save, your meeting is scheduled, and Zoom will generate a unique meeting ID and a link that you can share with the participants. You can find all these details in your Zoom account under Meetings, where you can also edit any details if needed before the meeting starts. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a Zoom meeting. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to organize meetings effortlessly, ensuring effective communication with your team or friends. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and guides.